Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the condenser fan motor in this GE refrigerator, you will need a 1/4 inch nut driver and a 5/16 inch nut driver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the refrigerator away from the wall. Use the 1/4 inch nut driver to unthread the upper center screw, securing the waterline retainer and lower rear access panel. Next, unthread the 5 remaining screws securing the access panel, using the 5/16 inch nut driver. With the screws unthreaded, lift the panel up to remove. Now reach in and pull the fan blade off of the condenser fan motor shaft. Disconnect the motor wire connector. Use the 1/4 inch nut driver to unthread the outer screw, securing the fan motor housing. Carefully bend the refrigerant tubing to move the filter dryer out of the way. Then rotate the fan housing to remove it from the appliance. Release the fan motor wires from the retaining clips. Stretch the foam insulation so you can pull the wire connector free of the housing. You can now unthread the 2 screws to release the front mounting bracket and motor. Remove the old motor from the bracket. Before you install the new condenser fan motor, confirm the rear mounting bracket grommet is still in place. Then set the fan motor in the grommet and align the front mounting bracket and grommet. Thread the 2 screws to secure. Feed the wire connector through the slot in the housing and secure the wiring in the retaining clips. Reposition the fan housing in the refrigerator. Then insert the rear tab in the bracket slot as you position the front of the housing against the bracket. Rethread the screw to secure. Align the fan blade on the motor shaft and press to confirm it's fully seated. Carefully bend the refrigerant tubing to properly position the filter dryer. Connect the fan motor wire connector. Replace the lower rear access panel by aligning the bottom tabs first. Rethread the screws. Secure the water line behind the retainer and rethread the upper center screw. Move the appliance back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.